To us, democratize means that everyone can use it, regardless of the language they speak, the device used, physical ability, income or economic ability, location, and finally, technical proficiency. You add all this up, and you look at the last 15 years of work, it combines to about a 32.5% market share, which is coming along, almost to a third. And like I said a few years ago, we're building a web operating system. It's an operating system for the open, independent web, and a platform that others can truly build on. It's also why we're all here. And if you are watching this, it's good to remind ourselves that we have maybe even further to go, that we do have a lot of problems. There's been a lot of questions this year about why we're doing certain things, like why we're working on Gutenberg. And I think it's good to return always to users to find that. So we're going to go through something that is super awkward. And this is watching user test videos. Who's ever done this before? For those of you who didn't raise your hands, please prepare yourself.
Something like this needs to be easy to use, and I wouldn't say any of this is easy to use. This is frustrating to use. This feels like writing a blog back in 2005.
Feels like writing a blog back in 2005. Next up.
Add two images side by side. Why can't I do that? I'm thinking that I want to start here and then we'll put the cursor here and go back, but I'm not able to do so. So
it gets worse.
Instead, I'm just going to see what other options I have. Let's see, so
don't click that.
If I do an align, I'm going to... No, they're going to go right underneath each other.
Add two images side by side. Why can't I do that?
Got image on the left now, some text on the right, so I guess on line right, hello. It's not exactly to the right of it, but it is... Okay.
Oh.
I didn't do that. I was just clicking enter. It's not directly to the right of it, but that's about as best as that's going to go. And then a paragraph below it. So, it's hard to get the actual thing. Okay, so we need to go back there. This is very finicky. This does not work.
This is very finicky. This does not work.
I'll just move this image up. Why? Why are you not moving?
There's more.
I am not seeing an option. So when I go to the add media page, there's no video available for me to add.
Dang it, add a caption to the video. How would I add a caption? I have no clue.
This is getting pretty painful, isn't it? How do I add a caption? I have no clue. I will not subject any of us to any more of those. But that kind of was painful, right? I've likened it before to like when you're watching a horror movie and you're like, no, don't go in that room.